In this video, we will learn about conversion of units, which unit we use every day for various types of measurements. We will talk here about the units of mass, length, area and volume. We will begin with mass. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. That means 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. And 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. That means 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Now clarify this thing by using an example. For example, if you are asked that 2 kg and you need to convert it to smaller unit gram. So 2 kg equal to 2 into 1000 gram. That means 2000 gram. Again, assume that you are said you have 50 gram. You need to convert it to kg. Then what would you do? 50 divided by 1000 kg. That means 0.05 kg. When you are converting from larger unit to smaller unit, the value will increase, we will multiply. And when you convert from smaller unit to larger unit, the value will reduce, we will divide. This is the fact here. If you are asked that 100 milligram, you need to convert it to gram. Smaller unit to larger unit. So you need to divide it by 1000. That means 0.1 gram. Again, you are said that you have 5 gram. You need to convert it to milligram. Now you are going for smaller unit, so you will multiply. 5 multiplied by 1000 milligram, that means 5000 milligram. Now the discussion about mass is pretty complete. We are going to discuss about length. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Therefore 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometer. If I say you that 650 meter, convert it to kilometer. We are converting meter from kilometer, smaller unit to larger unit, the value will decrease, so we will divide. Therefore 650 divided by 1000 kilometer, that means 0.65 kilometer. Here you see that 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, therefore 650 meter equal to 650 by 1000 kilometer. Again 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, therefore 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. If you are said that 2 meter, convert it to centimeter. So we are going from larger to smaller units, so the value will increase and we need to multiply. 2 into 100 centimeter, 200 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, that means 2 meter equal to 2 into 100, 200 centimeter. If I ask you 150 centimeter, convert it to meter. From smaller to larger unit, that means we need to divide. 150 divided by 100 meter, that means 1.5 meter. Again 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, that means 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. And there is also one quantity, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter, that means 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 1000 meter. We learned about mass and length. Now we will learn about area. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Already we know that. Now 1 kilometer square means 1000 meters square. That means 1 kilometer square equal to 10 to the power 6 meter square. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1 meter whole square means 100 centimeter square. That means 1 meter square equal to 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. That means 1 meter square equal to 1000 millimeter square. 1 meter square equal to 10 to the power 6 millimeter square. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter whole square equal to 10 millimeter square. 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. This is the case when we use the formula for area. For example, you are said that you need to convert an area of 1.5 meter square to centimeter square. So meter square to centimeter square, we are going for smaller unit. So what should we do? We will multiply 1.5 multiplied by 1 meter square equal to 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. Therefore 1.5 meter square equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. That means 15,000 centimeter square. If you are asked that convert 1.5 meter square to kilometer square, now you are going for larger units. So what will you do? You will divide 1.5 divided by 10 to the power 6 kilometer square. That means 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 kilometer square. This is the relationship for the units of area. Now let's talk about volume. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 1 kilometer cube equal to 1000 meter whole cube. That means 1 kilometer cube equal to 10 to the power 9 meter cube. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter whole cube, 100 centimeter whole cube. That means 1 meter cube equal to 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter whole cube equal to 1000 millimeter whole cube. 1 meter cube equal to 10 to the power 9 millimeter cube. And 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter whole cube equal to 10 millimeter whole cube equal to 1000 millimeter cube. The unit centimeter cube, this is also called cc. 1 cc. cc stands for cubic centimeter. And some more units that we use for volume are liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 cc or 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. These two units we also use for conversion: liter, centimeter cube and meter cube. These three units are frequently used for the volume of liquids. So have a look on the board. The conversion of the units, those I have written on the board, are in frequent use in your O-level maths. Not only in O-level, in your O-level, in A-level, and in your university, in your real life. Throughout your life, you must know the conversion of these units, because these conversions will appear in every steps of your life very frequently.